that there's a wrecking ball coming for startups. So what do? You need to find a path to profitability. If you don't have a product or service that's in demand, like it's a nice to have, but it's not, I don't need it, you're in a bit of trouble. You can have the best product in the world, but if you can't actually generate revenue, there's going to come a tipping point or a crescendo where you can't raise more money. If your staff aren't at capacity, or at least 90% capacity, find out why, and either bring them to capacity in terms of their workload, or make some tough decisions. If you look at the history, 91 there was a recession, 2000 the dot-com crash, 2008 the GFC. So what goes up always comes down. If you look at Facebook, they've just let go, how many people yesterday? I think 7,000 people. Amazon's just done it as well. Atlassian is now doing it as well. Google's making people redundant. Like, it's just, like I said earlier, what goes up must come down. I think things are going to get worse until they get better.